Welcome to Easy Publishing TV, where our mission is to provide you with information, resources, tips, and inspiration to help you publish your book. Publishing is not a very easy undertaking, but it does not need to be a chore, nor do you need to break the bank to publish your book. Let me tell you a story. Just over 14 years ago, I finished writing my first book, Christian Prosperity Secrets. It took me nearly 3 years to publish it. Things were different back then, of course. I bought my first ISBN for $250 with help from my family members. Then I paid a designer $125 to design my first book cover. After that, I had to contend with typesetting, pagination, and finally publication. And by the time I was done, I was nearly $2,000 out of pocket. That was the day I decided to become a publisher. I said to myself, if I'm facing all these challenges, then other aspiring authors are likely to be in the same situation. Over the years, my team and I have perfected our publishing knowledge and skills, set up a publishing company, and gone on to publish scores of books for authors around the world. We are placing the same skills and resources at your disposal on this channel. Are you struggling to publish your book? Have self-publishing companies asked you to pay through your teeth for your manuscript to be put in print? Would you like to publish your book yourself and cut out all the expensive middlemen in the process? If so, then you are in luck. At Easy Self-Publishing TV, we will provide you with practical, hands-on, low-cost, and even free solutions to help you get your book published quickly and efficiently. We will share tips on writing your book, editing it, typesetting it, designing your cover, publishing on Amazon KDP and other major platforms, and even advise you regarding the launch of your book after publication. So take a look around our channel to discover more useful information, tips, and resources. Please remember also to like our videos and subscribe so that you can keep abreast of the latest publishing trends. I am so excited to be a part of your publishing journey, and I look forward to reading your next book.